Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Juhi Patel and I'm associated with Vinny Immigrations as an immigration advisor. In today's video, we are going to talk about how Canada can provide you a better lifestyle. When we talk about the quality of life, Canada is one of the first countries that crosses our mind. And this truly makes sense because Canada does strive to offer its citizens and permanent residents a very good life. And it is also because of the quality of life that Canada is one of the most popular destinations for new immigrants. With very good infrastructure, safety, and strong economy, the benefits of living in Canada are very clear. Canada is one of the happiest and safest places on earth, not only because of all the benefits that I just mentioned quickly, but also it has a very beautiful nature. So if you're planning for a better life, definitely Canada should be on top of your list. Let's understand what Canada has to offer each one of us. Safety. Canada has a very low crime rate. The graph depicts 9.1 out of 10 in terms of safety and security. Canada is considered extremely safe when compared to similar countries like USA. Second is education. Canada values education and it has always make sure that its young citizens have access to very good quality of education, no matter what their background is. Canada is one of the countries that spend more on education per capita. As a result, Canadians spend more time on studying when compared to students of other nations. As a result, this has created an educated society which in turn has led to better jobs and better remuneration. Canada is one of the most cultured country in the world. Canada's English and French culture was a part of national identity since its conception. Many members of the parliament were born overseas, ensuring that the acceptance and tolerance of other cultures are not only promoted but preserved within the center of the government. It's no surprise that Canada is one of the most diversified nations in the world. So for a new immigrant, it is very easy to settle down in Canada, to meet new people and to embrace new cultures. Talking about economy, of course, nobody would move to a new country without considering the safety and financial aspects as to what this will have an effect into one's life. Canada holds one of the strongest economies in the world and offers huge varieties of career pathways for new immigrants. Canada's economy was voted the most stable economy for 7 consecutive years by the World Economic Forum. The financial aspect allows Canada to offer to its new immigrants or citizens a very good quality of life. Also, Canada ranks second in terms of high standard of living when compared to other G20 nations. For example, in February 2021, the Canadian government has offered 295,000 new jobs, recovering most of the jobs that were lost during the pandemic 2020. Talking about healthcare, medical care is free for all the citizens and new immigrants, and it is funded by the Canadian taxes. Talking about the provinces, every province provides a healthcare card to its immigrants, which has its eligibility and can be used against local medical services. Canada can take your breath away at every turn. Every weekend or holidays, various activities are available to the citizens and permanent residents. Say for example, skiing, snowboarding, hiking, biking and much more. Even you can try staying a night in an ice hotel for a unique experience. So are you ready to make Canada your home country? If yes, definitely contact us and do count on our expert team to help you to find the best pathway to make Canada your home country. Thank you and take care.